English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1, rank, satisfy, genetic. Rank. Rank is a noun and a verb. C1 learners usually know rank. To rank is to give someone or thing a position of importance. A rank is a position of importance. Here are some examples. In the army, he had a higher rank than his brother. The theatre now ranks among the best in the country. He is ranked number 1 in the world for his work. Satisfy. Satisfy is a verb. C1 learners usually know satisfy. At C1, to satisfy refers to needs, requirements, and conditions. Here are some examples. What do I need to satisfy the requirements of the job? To satisfy health and safety conditions, improvements must be made. Social services are trying to satisfy the needs of these groups. Genetic. Genetic is an adjective. C1 learners usually know genetic. Genetic relates to the genes. Here are some examples. He had a rare genetic disorder. They experimented with genetic material in the lab. Nowadays, genetic research is growing in importance. Now, write some of your own sentences with rank, satisfy, and genetic. Download the free C1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.